Nike Air Max 90 Social FC. This is one of my most favourite Air Max 90s when it comes to the sporty season. The World Cup's just round the corner, brewing in Mexico. I'm a United fan through and through, and I just absolutely love these Air Max 90s, man. The details on them. I think these come out in the Euros, if I remember rightly, in 2023, these Air Max 90s. But they got beautiful lace tips. Really nice details all over. You got the Social FC badge on the front, on the tongue, nice polyester tongue, and then you get a Social FC stamp on the insole as well. These Air Max 90s are really nice. I highly recommend buying them if you get a chance to grab them. I don't think they go for that much. I think they're around 150 to 200 pounds now, still, after 3 years of being out. Everything about these Air Max 90s are really good. I love them. They're one of my favourites to wear during the football season. I've always been a football fan. I never really talked about it, and I also stopped watching it quite a lot because obviously, like, it costs so much to have like Sky Sports. I don't want to pay the prices, so I stopped watching so much football. But I used to follow it really heavily and be well into it, but now I just catch like the big games in the pub or anything like that. But guys, let me know who you got to win the World Cup already. Have you got bets placed already? And I can't wait for the World Cup to start. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next one. Peace.